I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
No takeout needed. Make the best cheesy chicken quesadilla right at home. It's Super Bowl season, and the one recipe that friends and family always ask me to make is this chicken quesadilla recipe. And I gotta be honest, it's my secret weapon because it's really easy to make. So let's head to the stove with all of our ingredients, especially the cheese. All right, chicken is done, and now this recipe is gonna come together in lightning speed. I have a sweet onion that I chopped up. Add that right in, and then I'm gonna make a little slurry. Erica loves the word slurry. A little bit of chicken broth, and I have some tomato paste, and this will just deepen the flavor of the chili powder, which is next. And chili powder is a blend of Mexican spices, so it makes life easy. You get all the flavors in one. And some fresh lime juice. Give it a good old squeeze. I'll try to not squirt the camera with the lime juice here. Give it a nice stir before you put this guy in. Slurry in. And just like you're cooking down taco seasoning, you're going to turn your burner onto medium-high heat, and you're gonna saute this for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until all those flavors are absorbed by the chicken. Don't forget a little bit of salt. Smells so good. Just about 1 more minute. Sleeves rolled up, assembly time. So you wanna use your favorite tortillas. I just like a good standard flour tortilla. You wanna look for taco size, which is kind of medium sized. I have cheddar cheese, and I love cheddar cheese with the chicken, but you can use whatever shredded cheese you like. And I have this down to a science, okay? So we have half a cup of cheddar cheese on the bottom. Then I have 1 cup of that meat mixture right in the middle, and you wanna make sure to go pretty much to the edges here, and it's gonna get messy. You can use your hands, you can use the back of a spoon if that's easier, but you just wanna work all the way to the edges. And then you want another half cup of cheese. And why you put cheese on both sides of the meat is so that it allows the tortilla to stick, meaning when you sprinkle the cheese like that, put the tortilla on the top, now when the cheese melts, it's gonna act as like a glue for the meat. Perfection. All right, medium-high heat, you're gonna cook side 1 for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and crispy and golden brown. Time to flip. Cook the final side for 1 to 4 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Now this is what I mean by cheesy chicken quesadilla. Oh. This changes the entire quesadilla game. Best quesadilla I've ever had. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Quality assurance. My friends are always asking me to make a good old quesadilla.